Yo, man. What's happening? There's a little Canada Day wheel swap. Didn't quite do a full custom. Even though I had that truck for a little while. It's because it's red and it's white. Gold wheels though. And modified. I had to put a solid axle on those to make them run real good. And I guess next time if I do an idea or a total custom, I'm find another one of those little tanks and then melt the back end of that, and like a Mad Max drifting. Kaboom. Now what do you think? Oh yeah. RWR's Canada Day Wheel swap. She's red and she's white. That's a really groovy truck. I'm really liking that one. I like to see that in a big 4x4 right off the ground. I mean, that's just me. Not an F-150, good truck.